Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale War. Clan wars are an exciting way for your entire clan to compete together against 4 other clans. You'll participate in various tasks during the river race to earn fame and gold, which are crucial for your clan's progress. Building and defending your clan boat is essential to advance along the river. Every battle you win directly contributes to your clan's overall score, pushing you closer to victory. On War Day, each player receives 4 unique battle decks to use. It's a great idea to practice with these decks in friendly battles before you commit to a real War Day battle. Winning these battles is key, as it earns your clan valuable fame and significantly helps your overall progress in the river race. Always try to anticipate your opponent's likely cards and build your decks to effectively counter them for maximum advantage. The river race is a central part of clan wars, where your clan competes to be the first to reach the finish line. You earn fame by completing various tasks, including duels, boat attacks, and other challenges. A critical aspect is placing defensive cards on your clan boat to protect it from attacks by rival clans. Successful defenses are vital, as they prevent other clans from damaging your boat and slowing your progress down the river. To secure victory in clan wars, coordination is key. Work with your clan members to strategically place boat defenses for optimal protection. Make sure to focus on completing all your daily tasks, as this maximizes the fame your clan earns. Always practice new decks in friendly battles before deploying them in a real war battle. If your boat defenses are breached, prioritize repairing your boat to maintain your progress on the river.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.